Welcome back. Let's continue with our preparation of Salesforce Admin Certification exam with some practice question. In this video, I will be presenting some MCQs related to Salesforce Admin exam with correct answers so that you will be able to prepare for exam and pass the exam. So let's start with question number 1. And the question number 1 is on your screen now. And also, if you want access of these slides, then please let me know in the comment box below. This question will be easy for you if you have any some working experience as a system admin, or if you have worked in Salesforce technology. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question, and the correct answer is option A, web to lead. Let's move to the next question now. I hope you are able to guess the answer of this question or the option of this question. Let's see what is the correct option. And the correct option is A, email to case. Let's move to the next one. So if you have created many to many relationship in Salesforce, then you will be able to guess the output, the answer of this question in just a second. It's one of the easiest question in this slide. I hope you are able to guess it. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. And the correct answer is option A, junction object. We need to create junction object to create many to many relationship between two objects. Let's move to the next one. I hope you are able to guess. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question number 4. And the correct answer is option D, activity timeline. Let's move to the next one. So here the employees or the team members of XYZ corporation wants to collaborate in real time. And we all know that chatter is used for collaborating in Salesforce. So the correct answer will be option B, chatter. Let's confirm it. So the correct answer is B, chatter. Let's move to the next one. I hope you are able to guess the answer of this question. Let's see what is the correct answer. And we all know that we will use Salesforce mobile app for that. So correct answer is option A, Salesforce mobile app. Let's see what is the next question. It's a pretty big question, so I think it will be very easy. So here they are asking like if I am an owner of a record, then users above my role should be able to edit the records. And for that, we will create role hierarchy in Salesforce. So the correct answer is option C, role hierarchy. Let's confirm it. And as you can see, correct option is option C, role hierarchy. Let's move to the next one. So we need to create a custom list, and I think we need list views for creating it. So the correct answer should be list view. I hope you are able to guess it. Let's just confirm it on the next slide. And as you can see on screen, correct answer is option B, list views. Let's move to the next one. And if you want me to create a uh, quiz website for Salesforce admin question, then please let me know in the comment box below. So it will be easy for you to practice for Salesforce admin exam. Let's see what is the correct answer. Here they are asking about pick list values, and let's see what is the correct answer. So correct answer is option C, global pick list value set. Let's move to the next one. So if you had worked with data import or data export, then you will be able to guess the correct option of this question. And to pass the Salesforce admin exam, my suggestion is to use Salesforce in daily basis. Try to play with each settings so that it will be easy for you to remember what settings does what thing, and then you will be able to choose the correct options. So for this question, the correct answer is option A, data import wizard. Let's move to the next one. So yeah, we are done with this video. So if you like the questions, then please also like the video. Comment what are the topics should I cover in the next video. Share with your friends who are preparing for Salesforce admin exam, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.